안녕하세요, 여러분. umman이에요.
안녕하세요. umman 남편이에요.
이름이 뭐예요?
제 이름은 승리예요.
네, his name is Victor and my name is Umman. Today we are here for 한끼TV and we will do mukbang shoot together. Hope you will enjoy it. And we will enjoy the food. 여기 이름은
고메스퀘어.
고메스퀘어. 이 고메스퀘어 식당은 요즘 생긴 것 같아요. 그렇죠?
네, 그렇게 오래된 것 같진 않아요. 좀 brand new?
Brand new
좀
restaurant.
brand new 프랜차이즈 그런 스시 뷔페.
우리도 그래서 여기 처음으로 와봤어요. 근데 이제 우리 경험도 이제 한끼TV랑 같이 했어요.
네.
그래서 나는 항상 거의 음식을 좋아해요. 왜냐면 외국이니까 많이, 그리고 요리사 아니니까 그냥 먹을만 하면 돼요. 근데 남편이 너무 센시티브해요, 음식 대해서. 맛이 없으면 기분 안 좋아지고. 그래서 나도 기분을 살아주고. 근데 오늘은 다행인 거 여기 음식들 맛있어서 남편이 좋아했어요. Okay, first we made a Western style plate. Now time for making Asian style plate. And I want to get drink as well. And soup maybe. Let's go and come back again. For you, Sprite. For me, meshu. What's meshu? It's what's meshu?
It's kind of fruit.
Fruit. Like chadu. Chadu. What was
Yeah,
chadu?
kind of it.
Yeah, chadu. Okay, this one is soup, but it's hot, so I'm using gloves to open. Oh, it's really hot. Oh, so hot.
Use spoon there.
Are you sure?
Fry like this.
Maybe I have to.
See?
Okay.
Okay. So you can eat
smells
like this,
yummy.
or take some pastry
Okay, yes.
and then dip it in. Eat it.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Stuff from salad.
Okay, I will start with soup. It's hot. It's yummy. Would you like to try?
So,
Yes.
yeah. Creamy.
So you are chef. Just you give the points for food today.
Do you want to try dog?
No,
not really?
actually, that's not my style. This one is yummy, but too hot.
Mm.
Did you like it? I have to give time for it to get cooler. What was meshil in English? I forgot. A chadu. Plum. Yeah, it was. I think it's plum.
Yeah, it's actually we call Japanese plum something like that.
Japanese plum juice.
Right. In English. Octopus.
Octopus. That's also not my style.
Mm.
I'm trying the pumpkin salad.
Maybe
It's good, not too sweet.
that's one.
Yes. Generally, pumpkin salads are too sweet at Korean restaurant.
Yeah.
It's good, yes. I think this is the citrus salad.
I like it.
Yeah, I like the sauce. And this one was It's a pasta salad, or I don't know what's its original name.
Look at this.
오리고기. That's our puppy's favorite. But in this restaurant, I think the most important food is the seafood. Later, let's try it and see. It's really yummy.
Sushi.
Sushi.
I love sushi.
I know.
My favorite.
I will try to find the cooked one. You know, I can eat the raw sushi, raw seafood.
I think we can find it.
I wish there are some beef one as well. I want to try the chicken as
Olive?
well. Olive, black one. I also have some olive here. I'm going to try the chicken. I think only in Korea you can eat chicken with a chopstick. It's also good.
Good.
It's soaked.
And try this one.
Ah, yonggan. My
Yonggan.
favorite.
So your favorite one, huh?
Yeah. I like the yonggan pickle, but I think this is yonggan salad, yeah?
Yeah. So with the black sesame seed dressing, I think.
It's yummy. I have discovered yonggan in Korea first time because in my country we don't have yonggan. I think this is like lotus root, lotus flower root.
Yeah.
I want to eat my soup again.
Looks really hot.
Yeah, but the weather is cool today, so it's really good to eat today. The like this bread, the pastry is also good. It's yummy. You know, in my country, generally kids, moms add the bread inside soup because it's easier for kids to eat. So it reminds my like my country's culture right now. I'll add it inside soup. Yes. You wanna go for the second plate?
I gotta finish my salad
Salad
first.
Okay. I haven't tried the pizza. I will try it.
Pizza.
Is it the cheese? Just cheese pizza? What's the?
That was gorgonzola.
Ah, gorgonzola pizza. Okay, I'll use my gloves. And using glove is also special to Korea. Yeah. I don't think other countries also use. I mean, Asian countries.
No.
I'm not sure, but in European countries, nobody uses glove for eating.
Yeah.
신기하다. It's also yummy. I will try some tomato. It's too big. And oily. Can I hold it with chopstick? I'm already Korean. You already finished. I'm too slow. Okay. But I learned to be fast like Korean. You know,
You don't have to. You don't have to be fast.
right?
you know.
Why?
It's not healthy.
Right. But Korean people really eat fast.
Yeah.
When we go to any restaurant with Korean people, you are really fast
Not only just
eating.
eating,
Yes.
but also
Egg
almost everything.
and everything.
Everywhere. Everything.
You want to wait for me to finish?
See, look at this. It's called Ereon,
Yes.
and it's robot.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We press the button,
Mm.
then robot comes up, and then we just post the plate.
So do you want to do it now? Actually, I
Yeah.
wanted to see it. I want to
wanna
see
try?
it. Yeah.
We come?
Maybe it takes some time to arrive here.
I don't know.
Generally, this is for calling the waiters or waiter or waitress, no?
I think it's not working.
It's not working today.
Yeah.
Maybe there are many people today around.
I think so. Come on, man.
Maybe you have to push and wait.
I press more than 10 times.
Today's robot is lazy, I think.
I think you get nervous.
Because of shooting.
We're doing shooting.
That's right. He's shy. He
He's
wanna.
shy boy, huh?
Yeah. Don't be shy. Come here. What's wrong with
No,
that?
it's not working.
Maybe the batteries died already.
It's not working at all. All right, just forget about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can take our plate by ourselves.
I'm the machine. Huh?
I'm going to push it behind. Okay, we are back again. This time we
Alright.
made
Time
sushi
to eat
plate.
sushi.
Yes, and this is the miso soup.
Yes, this is Japanese miso soup.
Okay,
All right, let's
Oh.
try.
and you have all the raw seafood, and I have all the cooked one because I cannot eat the raw one. And even the beef one was also raw, so I asked the chef, and they did some like fire on it, and it's already well done. Okay,
Okay, let's try.
let's get started. Do you want to do like 짱? 짠.
Mm.
Is it fresh?
It's good.
I have
Love
to
it.
dip the sauce. Maybe this one. Oh no, this. Oh, it has the mayonnaise on it.
Mm.
This is the tail, the shrimp. I cannot eat this, the tail. But I think Korean people eat the whole shrimp, even including the tail.
Yeah. See? The tail?
Wow. 대단해요. And ginger people, yeah.
Yeah.
It's my
Ginger
favorite.
pickle.
I want to try the miso soup as well.
All right. Try.
It's not salty. Okay, I'm trying another roll. There is just the crab inside.
No.
This one is spicy.
Because of wasabi?
Wasabi. Oh, next time. Oops, 떨어졌어.
It's salted.
The first chef cooked all the beef for me. I'm so thankful. But that one was still raw.
Still raw, huh?
I want to dip the sauce, but I'm afraid to drop it. Okay. It's delicious.
See? I'll give some tips.
That one is
Don't get afraid of, dipping the soy sauce. Just grab some, the topping, like fish or like shrimp or meat.
yes.
Just take this one.
Not
dip
the
it.
rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then back in it.
Okay, I will try. Yeah, you're right. Because the rice is so soft. I take the beef, dip the sauce. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And this is yubu chobab.
유부초밥.
I love yubu chobab as well.
I also have that one. I think the tuna one is the most delicious one. Maybe for some foreigners who will watch our video, they can think it's weird, like this couple ate from the same bowl. But in Korea, it's very normal thing to eat from one plate, one bowl.
Yeah. We share everything.
Yeah. But when I was in Korea for the first time 4 years ago, when we were eating your mom and dad house, so it was like, how can I say, it was weird for me. All the family eat from the one, like, of course there are some separate food, but sometimes they're like, for example, tteokbokki. So everybody take from the one plate or one, let's say, the pan.
And stew, like jjigae, hang.
Yes.
We share. Not even, family. With friends.
Friends as well, yeah.
We share it. But over the corona, we starting to, the separate plate. We use it separate.
Yeah, actually,
because of
that's right. Corona really changed the culture a little bit, but still people after Corona, still some people using it.
In family, we don't care about it.
Yeah, but friend, at least among friends, the Corona changed the situation a little bit. Oh, that's the raw salmon.
Salmon.
Okay, taste
My
it.
favorite.
Is it the salmon? If salmon, I think you love the sushi more than me. You love sushi more than you love me. Because before starting shoot, I said I will like give a chew on your face, but he said no. But he already gave a pop for the sushi. And I think the salmon, if the salmon sushi is yummy, it means other sushi is also good in a restaurant. Yes.
Yeah. It's fresh.
That's great. Just a second. Yes.
Thank you. Oh, look at this. See?
Okay, you also look at this.
Sexy. Equals sexy. Input. This is sexy.
여러분 너무 놀라지 마세요. Because my husband is chef. 요리사예요. 요리사분들 음식 대회에서 거의 이렇게 얘기해요. The chefs always talk about food like they are talking about women. So beautiful, amazing, like even sexy.
I like it.
Wow, it's really rare when we go to restaurant and my husband like all the food. Because the disadvantage of being married or in a relationship with a chef is that when you go to restaurant or when you go like even expensive restaurant, they always complain about the food. It's really difficult for them, like, you know, to like the food. That's why when we go to restaurant, like I'm foreigner and I'm in Korea, so actually I don't know the Korean food well. Let's say when I eat, I like it. Oh, it's yummy, but I say no, it's not yummy. It's not good. So my mood gets down. But today I'm happy he liked it because I was really worried because during the shoot maybe he would show like his like annoyed or sad face because of the food. But he looks happy today. This restaurant is good choice. We will come next time too. You wanna get the
It's very fresh and delicious.
That's
I like it. I like it because I went to the lots of like sushi buffet before, but here, yeah, it's the best one actually.
maybe this restaurant is new, so they really want to show their quality. I hope they will keep doing like this even after many years. Let me finish my food so we can have like maybe some tea or coffee.
Finish it.
I'm already full actually, but I have to finish my plate. I don't want to waste the food. Even I have some salad.
Yeah, you have salad here as well.
But almost full, 95%.
95 cents.
I want to cut the
The tail.
tail.
Take the tail and
역시 한국 사람. But I think like most of foreigners can eat the raw food and Korean food well in Korea. I think I'm like, how can I say, special case. I don't know, I cannot eat many foods in my country as well.
because you are like you are always afraid of the new food. I mean like you haven't tasted before.
Yes,
Like,
고민해요.
almost like seafood.
Yeah, seafood as well.
That's why you don't have any experience. So you thought, it's not gonna be, it's not gonna be yummy. Like it's will be, rare or something like
Yucky,
that.
yeah. Yeah, you're right. Because actually, when I came to Korea for the first time, even I couldn't eat the cooked seafood as well.
Yeah.
But now after I can eat the cooked one, I couldn't eat the kind of rolls when it contains some seafood inside. But at least now I can eat. But still, I'm afraid of eating the
The
raw
raw
one.
one, yeah.
Yes. I'm not ready. Would you like to help me?
Oh, I haven't tried this corn.
Corn one.
The corn salad. What's in it?
It's corn salad. You can get a bite.
Ah, it's a creamy in it.
Ah, crab inside. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
You gave me the biggest part.
Mm.
It's good but sweet.
because of the corn.
But I think Korean people really they use the I don't know sugar or sweet syrups a lot in the food. In my country, we don't eat food like we don't eat food with sweet sugar. We don't eat sweet food. We use sugar only for cookies or pastry or desserts. Like Korean people use
Korean-
sugar for food.
Like we prepare like spicy and salty and sweet.
Sweet all together.
And we call it 단짠. 단짠 is meant sweet and salty.
반찬.
Sweet and salty, sweet and salty. So once we eat the food, it has to be contain sweet and salty
Salty and sometimes spicy.
and spicy. We love
Sweet,
spicy. as
salty,
well.
and spicy. Oh. It's difficult to find such a food in my country. Would you like to try this part?
No problem.
Problem이 없어.
Mm.
The tuna one is also good. I'm really full, but I have to finish my plate.
No working today.
Try one more time. Maybe this time he can come. Oh, at least it's turning. Oh, it's coming.
he's coming.
Yeah,
He's coming.
finally. 박수.
Yeah.
I hope it's not going to wrong table.
Come on.
Yes, it's here.
All right.
중입니다. 멈출 때까지 기다려주세요.
Oh,
무슨 준이에요?
she's doing spin and then she will be stuff. So wait for it.
아하.
So wait. And then
Okay.
you just.
와, 신기하다.
Ah. And then
아. We have to push the bottom.
yeah.
Make it to go back.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This gone.
This is the first, like, I think in Korea, but I'm not sure. Maybe other Asian countries also use the robot in the restaurant. But I think first Korean people started to use such robot at the restaurant.
It's gonna be more popular in the future.
Yes.
No waiter, waitress, robot.
Then
No
we can.
chef, robots.
No chef? No. It's not. Then the food is not yummy. I prefer the human chef.
So, what would you like to try next time?
Maybe some fruit or
Some
dessert.
fruit and dessert.
There is still some fruit, but it's oily.
Yeah. So you don't have to eat all of it.
Oh,
We can-
okay.
We can check it out and then check other one.
I want to try this potato. I didn't try this one. Too much ketchup on it. Mm. Oh, yeah, it's cheese inside.
Really? So it's potato, right? No? Only cheese?
It's sweet.
Sweet? Give me some. I will try.
Oh. It's not potato. Like cream cheese inside or what? It's sweet.
Oh, I don't like it.
Yeah, that one was the only food we didn't like today.
I didn't expect it's sweet, but it's sweet.
Yeah, it's too sweet. Like dessert.
Oh, I think it's kind of like milk.
Milk and flour, maybe.
Yeah.
Milk karu. Okay, should we call the robot again or I will take it back?
Oh, we just take it.
Let's clean it.
Yeah, let's go.
See you soon. Okay. I have to talk to camera.
Okay, that's Umman's teacher.
And actually, it's not healthy to eat fruit or dessert directly after having the food. So I will take time, then later. My husband brought this kim. I don't know what's it, kim tigim, because he wants to do some ASMR.
Have you tried this one before?
No, actually. I have eaten the kim, but not this one.
Yeah, it's made by him.
Oh, it's really like ASMR.
But this one is
Sweet.
also sweet as well. They drink the sugar.
Korean people add sugar
I prepare
on
salt.
everything.
I prepare salty one, but this one is sweet one.
Sweet one. And the
Sorry.
taste is not my style.
Oh,
You loved, it means you like what's this fish name?
this is 광어.
광어. You like the 광어 and
광어,
희용어,
연어, 새우.
새우.
See?
Maybe I can try my most favorite fruit. This one. I really like this one.
Mm.
너무 쉬워요.
I don't like sour.
근데 너무 맛있어요. I know you don't like sour, you don't like salty, probably don't like too sweet.
아,
근데 여기 식당 칸을 음식들 칸 잘 맞아요. 오빠가 컴플레인 하는 거 없었어요.
because it's low sushi.
Yes.
It has to be just fresh. That's it. That's all. But rice is okay. Rice is warm. I don't like the cold one, but this one is
It's warm.
yeah, warm. See? It's a bit raw.
I mean, Korean people eat the beef as raw.
Mm.
In my country, people hate the raw beef. At least it must be medium well done. No, they don't eat medium.
Oh,
Look at this
Sexy.
beauty. I am curious, when you make a food at the restaurant kitchen, do you talk with your foods while you make it? I think you talk with food more than you talk with me. You know, actually, when I got married with my husband, at the time he was using her Instagram actively, and on her profile in the bio part, he was writing like, "Food is my life." It was written like that on his profile, but I got so jealous. I said, "No, delete it and write, 'You are my life,' or otherwise I'm going to be, cross with you." That's why he changed it. But he didn't want to change it. "No, food is my life."
see?
he loved the food since his childhood. That's why he decided to be a chef. My,
Food is my life. Life is food.
how about me? How about me? No way.
Some orchestra in my mouth.
Boss. Okay.
Okay.
I will forgive you because we are doing shooting today. Otherwise, I would be very jealous about it.
You know what? During this time, during eating lunch, I'm thinking about the dinner. 오늘 뭐 먹지? 오늘 밤에는 뭐 맛있는 거 먹지? 내일은 뭐 먹지?
맞아.
That's why food is life. Life is food. Huh?
맞아. 맨날 우리 밥 먹고 끝나면 예를 들어 란치 먹고 끝나면 이렇게 물어봐. 엄마 밤에 뭐 먹어야지? 나 아니 지금 끝났는데 나 지금 너무 배불렀어요. 생각도 하고 싫어 먹을 거. 아 근데 우리 오빠는 우리 시어머니가 얘기해 줬는데 오빠가 어렸을 때 먹을 거 너무 좋아해서 우리 엄마가 집에서 생선 구울 때 너무 행복해서 춤췄대요. My husband, my mother-in-law told me when he was a kid, he loved food at the time as well. So when my mother-in-law cooked some fish at home, he was so happy. That's why he danced a lot every time. 지금도
Now
춤출래요?
fish, dance. Oh, the last one.
Last one, yeah. Okay, but there are many. Don't worry. Oh, okay. Yeah, I love the yummy food. I feel happy when I eat yummy food, but I can't enjoy like you enjoy with
Last
last
sushi.
piece.
Last piece. Last kiss.
나도 원해요, 뽀뽀. 나도 해줘. 근데 어떻게 오빠 와이프가 요리를 잘못했네. 그래서 오빠가 요리사 됐나 봐. 와이프가 음식 잘 못하나 봐. 어렸을 때부터 생각했어. 너무 똑똑해서.
It doesn't matter. You can cook. You can cook at cook or bed. Because you are beautiful. Very pretty. So it's all good. Oh, I'm getting full.
So how Korean people say, 잘 먹었습니다. Yeah. But we have to dessert and some fruit.
But that's for you. It was my desserts.
네 번째 dessert.
I finished and I'm full.
Yeah, he really doesn't like the sweet things. I love them, but he only loves the food. How can I say food? Like 요리만 좋아하고. Or
Like I don't like
meal.
desserts, like pushik desserts. So like meal.
meal. You love only meal because you are a chef. But I love the sweet things a lot. So I enjoy eating the sweet thing. But maybe I can get a cup of tea or coffee.
All right.
Yes, I got a fruit tea and Victor got a chamomile tea.
Yeah. Chamomile.
Yes. In my country's culture, as I'm from Azerbaijan, so in my country, people love drinking teas. We drink tea before having meal, and we drink tea directly after finishing the meal. But Korean people don't drink tea generally after they have lunch or dinner. But Azerbaijan people directly sweet things and tea. So I'm going to enjoy. Oh, it's too hot. Let's try the croissant first. If it is yummy, it means they are really good at making bakery. Oh, I can cut for you too. Oh, I can't feel it's too. Let's try. 좀 딱딱한 것 같아요.
Try first. I don't like it.
No,
No?
it's not croissant.
What is that? then?
실패. 뚜루루루루룸.
실패?
Yes. It's too sweet. How about the
Too sweet?
Mm,
Croissant is sweet?
sweet?
Oh,
Let's try the brownie.
alright.
You can also. It's too dry. Ah. Dry for me. 두 번째 디저트 실패. 띠르르 띠르르.
See? Only sushi.
I think they are good at making the food and
Seafood.
sushi. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I think they don't make it.
Maybe they buy it.
Yeah, bought it then, you know, just... No, it's
It's lemon.
ramen.
Lemon flavor. It's better than brownie.
Yeah. So far, number one.
Yes.
Ah.
It's like mini cake.
I think so.
Maybe it's like blueberry cream. Too small.
What is this? How come?
It's difficult to open. Hope it's yummy. Be careful. I don't want to get it creamy. Okay, let's try.
Try this. Oh, cream.
Mm. It's not blueberry, it's sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
If I'm not mistaken.
Goguma?
It's go. But I don't know. Maybe I can't remember though. I have eaten like dessert with a similar taste.
No, it's not goguma.
Also, goguma?
Yeah, it's blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yeah, but like blueberry,
Artificial blueberry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
just flavor.
Just like artificial flavor. Yeah. This one is not also not good.
What is that?
Is it a
Green pea.
Green pea? Really?
Nah, but I don't think so.
Maybe it's candy. It looks so hard. Wait. The green pea. No?
It's green pea.
Why they add green pea on a dessert? 왜 이 쿠키에다가 그린 피 올렸어요? 진짜 안 올려요. 맛없어. 진짜 이 과자들을 어디서 사는 거예요?
I think it's kind of candy or chocolate, something like that.
No, it's pea.
It
Yeah,
It
it's
was
candy.
real
Green
green
pea.
pea. I like it.
It's chocolate cream. No, I don't think you will like it.
Pepe. This one.
We are sorry, but
I'm gonna try this one first.
oh, is it? I'm also going to cry. This is
I
like
feel like hazelnut.
yes. I think the last one and the lemon flavor one, those two are better than others.
For me, just lemon.
Just lemon.
이제 우만이 이거 두 번째 촬영한 거잖아.
네, 맞아.
첫 번째는 한 2년 전인가?
그때 코로나 있을
그때 코로나 있을 때 혼자 그 스시 뷔페 가가지고
쿠코
먹었잖아.
갔었어, 서울에서.
그때 하고 이제 2년 만에 나랑 왔는데
네.
그동안에 어떻게 지냈는지
얘기.
우리 구독자 여러분 또 여기 시청하시는 분들한테 한번 어떻게 지냈는지 얘기해주면 좋을 것 같아.
그때는 제가 프리랜서 모델 일 하고 있거든요. 아직도 그거 하고 있어. 왜냐하면 제가 촬영하는 거 너무 좋아해서 한국에서 아직 그 프리랜서 촬영을 이런 거 해봤는데 근데 이제 우리 결혼해서 여기 이제 한국에 가족이 생겼으니까 좀 돈도 많이 벌어야 됐어요. 그냥 그래서 촬영만 말고 이제 영어 가르쳐 주는 거도 시작했어요. 이제 영어를 가르쳐 주고 시간 있을 때 이렇게 프리랜서 모델링 하고 주말에는 이제 남편이 일하는 식당에서 알바도 해요. 왜냐면 그냥 집에 혼자 있는 것보다 여기서 남편이랑 같이 있고 그리고 또 한국 사람들하고 시간 보내기 얘기하는 거 그리고 이제 레스토랑 매니지먼트 그렇게 배우고 그렇게 지내고 있어요. 남편 덕분에 푸드 대회에서 음식 대회에서 많이 이제 배우고 알게 됐어요. 네, 이제 그리고 그 지난 2년부터 지금까지 먹을 수 있는 한국 음식도 조금만 늘어졌어요. 많아졌어요. 그때 많이 토푸도 못 먹고 킴도 못 먹고 좀 못 먹은 한국 음식들 많았어요. 이제 거의 다 먹을 수 있는데 아직도 근데 그때처럼 안 익히는 음식만 못 먹어요. 네. 그리고 이제 저도 이번 년에 유튜브 시작했는데요. 근데 그 유튜브를 좀 영상을 자주 못 올려요. 왜냐면 너무 바빴어요. 이제 촬영을 하는데요. 그 편집하는 시간이 없어서요. 너무 한 달에 하나씩만 올려요. 그래서 시간이 있으면 나중에 움만이네 움만 유튜브 채널도 응원해 주세요. 네, 오늘 맛있게 잘 먹었어요.
잘 먹었습니다.
네, 잘 먹었습니다. 재밌게 봐주셔서 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 한끼TV 화이팅!
한끼TV 많이 응원해 주세요. 감사합니다. 바이바이.